I'm supposed to make my hair today, but the lady that normally comes to make my hair in the house has really been going through a lot. She's not in town, a lot. So what I'm going to do today is just to read. 2026, I really fell in love with reading books, and it's more like me connecting very well to God, the Holy Spirit, and knowing more of Him outside the four corners of the church. That's the best gift you can give yourself. So I also bought some books. I want to complete this book, The School of the Seer, and I'm in page, right now, I'm in page 40. And why it's been difficult for me to read all through, because I started reading from the first page. Chapter 1 started from page 25, and it was where it all began, where he was telling us about his story. Oh yeah, I'm not here to tell you about the book. Whenever I find it very difficult to read this book, I literally feel the presence whenever I'm reading this book. So sometimes I cut, I pray, and before you know it, I'm onto another thing. I'm just going to do this today. When I'm done, just listen to some worship and probably think of what to eat